Welcome to the Montana Weekly Briefing for the week of December 10th through December 16th. If you're watching this after Monday, then you may wish to check the National Weather Service webpage or call any of the Montana National Weather Service offices for updates as the conditions may have changed. There are three separate weather events that could impact Montana this week. The first event is a light to moderate snowfall and blowing snow that will affect much of the state through the evening hours today. The second event is the potential for high winds in the favored windy areas in the state on Tuesday. The third event is a bit more uncertain, and as the forecast confidence is quite low for this event, but is for the potential for accumulating snowfall and the potential for a bit colder temperatures to move back into the state over the weekend. As you can see, over the past month, precipitation amounts have generally been slightly above normal in a good portion of western and central Montana, but even the eastern portions of the state have had some precipitation. However, over the past 8 months, you can see that precipitation amounts still lag below normal, especially across the southern half of the state. Light snow is expected across much of the state today. The snow will continue to affect locations over western Montana into Tuesday. During any of this snowfall, expect the potential for roadways to become snow-covered and slippery, especially over mountain passes. Additionally, gusty westerly winds, some of which could reach warning criteria, are possible later tonight and tomorrow, resulting in some blowing and drifting of the snow, especially in the favored windy areas of the state, such as Livingston, Judith Gap, and East Glacier Park. Looking ahead to this weekend, there's quite a bit of uncertainty in the forecast. A cold front is supposed to come down from Canada and move into the northern tier of the state. The main uncertainty is thus how far south is this cold front going to go. Thus confidence is quite low in terms of the cold air and accumulating snowfall. Overall though, for the next 5 days, precipitation will be confined to mainly the western half of the state where the most heaviest precipitation is expected to fall. Little to no precipitation is expected in southeast Montana. Here is the latest weather graphic story from the National Weather Service in Billings showing the potential impacts in the region for their area today. Here's the latest 6 to 10 day outlook for the average overall temperatures and precipitation. For Montana, we have equal chances of having above or below normal temperatures, while slightly above normal chances of having higher than normal precipitation, especially in western Montana. Here's the latest 8 to 14 day outlook for average overall temperatures and precipitation. Again, it is fairly similar to the 6 to 10 day outlook. In summary, light to moderate snow accumulation is expected across the state today. The impacts will include mountain passes becoming snow-covered and slippery. Lower elevations, some roadways may become slippery, and slow travel is expected. And this will also affect recreation areas. For later tonight and Tuesday, the potential for high winds in the favored windy areas such as Livingston, Judith Gap, and East Glacier Park, and that will be tonight through Tuesday. Unsettled weather conditions are expected this weekend. That will be affecting much of the state, and there is a potential for some colder temperatures and cumulative snowfall. We do want to thank you for your time, and if you have any questions or concerns, please contact any of the 4 National Weather Service offices at any time.